people, that right there is the city of Nashville. All right, people, welcome to today. I'm still in this hotel room that Mama got me. Thanks, Mom. I had a wonderful birthday yesterday, and I had a happy time, and that's wonderful. I'm about to watch The House of David because it dropped yesterday, and I need to watch it today. My sweet baby brother is right here. He's so tired. He's so tired. I ate a piece of pizza yesterday that I'm going to have to go get again today because sono italiana e americana. Mi piace mangiare la pizza. Yeah, so that's what I got going on. We're probably going to finish cleaning up the house because we got a great head start yesterday. My new couch is absolutely wonderful. Can't wait to show that to you guys. I will be on live tonight. I was not on live last night because, well, I was with my folks. So yeah, it should be a great day. I got me some sleep. So I think once Fatty gets up, we're probably going to go get us a piece of pizza and then go to the house and spend the day at the house. Then Fatty will leave later. And then, yeah. Thanks for coming along with me today, y'all. This whole daily vlog thing is a whole nother kind of vibe, you know what I mean? You just wake up, take out the camera, and just record your day. I'm going to love to watch these in probably the next 10 years. That'll be good, but you just got to keep going every single day. That's what you do, so that's what I'm doing. The House of David episode was the absolute best. Goodness, I tell you, you got to watch it. It's pretty good. Those who are loyal to God would really, really find this TV show very, very good. Anyways, we about to get up out of this hotel room and then probably gonna get some food and then go back to the house. It's gonna be a chill type of day. So y'all, I'm actually in my car right now because she left it when she left this morning, but that ain't the point. I have to go back to the U-Haul place to drop that one trailer that I stubbed my leg on yesterday off, and I'm gonna try not to stub my leg on it this time. So this should be interesting because I have to back the car out and then pull it off. And I really, to be honest, don't know how to drive with a trailer on my truck. But we just gonna see what we can do, you know? On to continuing the clean from yesterday. It's just, you just have to keep going, you know? You just keep going. Me and my brother are now building a bed. Fatty has something to say to you guys.
Hi, guys.
I thought you was gonna say more than that.
Oh, no. I was just telling him I'm shy.
He shy, he said.
I'm camera shy, y'all.
He camera shy. Y'all guess in the comments.
Yes.
I'm a sister, this my brother. Guess how many years we are apart. Let's build the box. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think they're supposed to do that. This one here.
Trust in me.
This one here is kinda.
Trust me.
Nah, Fatty, I don't
Trust
believe
me.
that. Okay then. Well,
I
if it ain't me that need to trust you, just walk. This her bed.
Trust me, I'm not gonna have you on the floor. Okay, so here we are.
Y'all, I basically hurt my leg yesterday at U-Haul, and I just hit it on this bed. But that's not the point. The point is the bed is done. So another thing that I had to do is off my to-do list. You see, here's the thing, people. For my birthday weekend, I did not imagine having to get so much of my life together, but this is the way that things are. Since I haven't been working full time, I've recognized a lot of different spots in my life that have been neglected for some time. And now I'm just having to get all of them in order all at once, it seems like. But it's better to just get it done than to procrastinate more, because then I'll just continue this. So life is still a little bit of a mess, but I'm working on it, you see. I'm not going to be able to go live tonight because I'm a little bit overwhelmed, I'll be honest. I still might go live because I really just like talking about the Lord. So we'll just see. I got 40 minutes to think about it, but I really like talking about the Lord. I just don't want to be overwhelmed. That's just the thing, not being overwhelmed. So anyways, putting this mattress on and then I'm done with it. All right, people. My brother just left, and now I'm about to go relax because I'm a little bit overwhelmed. People, hello, it's me, Gia. I'm in the bathroom, as you can see, detangling his head. Oof, the last couple of years have been a doozy. Gotta be honest. Really just didn't pay much attention to myself. Gotta be real. Everybody talks about self-care and all these things that we need to be. And I gotta be real, I neglected them. And I teach a Bible study on Proverbs every single night. And what most of the people in the community know is, I teach that Bible study for myself. I've said several times, like, dang, instead of scrolling, we need to clean up, get our lives together. But what a difficult task that is. The practicality of the way God wants us to live, man. God wants us to be wise. And boy, that start out of being wise is hard. And so I'm having to be as honest as humanly possible on the internet, because if I don't, there might be some temptation to be fake, and nobody should do that. Alright, I am also about to try this 100% organic natural shampoo. And so I just gave myself a little haircut. Probably didn't cut off enough because what the heck. But that's okay. Still a good bit there. So we're fine. It'll grow. That's all I know. I think the last time I washed my hair was like, I don't know, maybe 7 months ago. I don't wash my hair very often. It's pretty much as natural as it comes. It really is. So we're gonna see how this goes. Alright, y'all, after rinsing, we're about to see how well my little concoction did. Well, people, it's giving success. Alright, y'all, just like that, we're at the end of wash day. Just got a couple of more little pieces of oil. I can't see the back of my head, so homegirl has to help me with that. As you know, if you have watched any of my other vlogs, this homegirl hands right here. She has to finish these things out with this hair. I cut my hair lopsided, but that's not the point. It'll grow back. This was a really wonderful wash day, though. I'm not gonna hold you. Wash days usually take forever. My new Simple Right is real short right there. It's real short. That's not the point. I ain't cut my hair in a while, so I had to just get me a haircut. Anyways, I successfully made myself an all-natural shampoo, and I'm happy about it. I'm really happy with my little haircut, y'all. My head felt a little bit lighter. I'm really happy about that oil that I made and the all-natural shampoo that I made. I'm just real pumped up about that. Yeah. All right, y'all. Now that I finished playing my little pickleball, I am about to get on live in a few minutes to get in Proverbs. Thank y'all so much for watching this little video. I hope to see y'all in the next one. Peace. Hello, people. Welcome in. Y'all, thank you every single person who wished me a happy birthday. Thank you, every single person. Y'all, let me tell you what my mama did.